At this point, it's going to bring me right over to my Robinhood app itself, and once again, I have to stop the screen recording just because it doesn't allow me to do this, but I will take screenshots as we go. This is going to bring something up called Robinhood Connect, which is going to connect, obviously, the wallet here with our Robinhood account. And we can see here that we are now buying $30 worth of Bitcoin, and it's going to be able to pull this right from my Robinhood buying power, which is pretty cool. We're now going to click on the review order button, and this is going to show us an estimate of what we are buying. We're paying with the buying power. The network is Bitcoin. It shows the address, the rate that we're going to pay, the network fee, the Robinhood fee, which is 0, and then the total received. From here, you're just going to check the box that says, I confirm my BitKey wallet address is correct, and then click on continue. And then you just have to click on activate crypto transfers if you haven't done so already. At this point, it's going to show you a screen saying that it is sending your order, and then you're going to get to an order submitted screen. Now that we're out of Robinhood, I can go ahead and record my screen again, and it says your Robinhood transfer is on its way to BitKey. Submitted at 12:29 p.m. It says it's submitted, then we'll have processing and completed. So we're already getting confirmation that this has been linked correctly. We're now going to click on back to home, and we're going to wait for that $30 to send over.